Joburg right now at the Bastille concert, and it is epic. We're having such a sick time.
You're missing out if you're not here. Yay!
Met opening acts soos Matthew Mole, Beatenberg en Bed on Bricks het 15 tot 16,000 mense vandag bymekaar gekom by Emerence Dam in Johannesburg om een band te kom kyk. Al die pad van die UK is ons hierso om saam met almal te jam by Bastille. It's a hashtag, so I need you to hashtag what's happening here. Hashtag what?
Hashtag awesome at Bastille.
I'm at this party, it's a bit wild.
It is hot. Hot today.
Woo!
Heaven at Bastille.
I love all these bands, and this is my vibe. I'm so happy. Loving it. Amazing. It's awesome, guys. Like, this is my happy place.
It's been amazing. Lots and lots of fun.
Trying to get trashed and enjoy Bastille.
Good. Did you enjoy the rain?
It's a very welcome refreshment. It's gone from being death hot to wet to average.
So it's so hot in Joburg today, but the reason is because these guys brought their heat.
Hello, my name is Matthew Mole. I just played at the Bastille show and it was amazing. It's a big honor to be a part of this show.
He's the best. He's one of the most amazing artists ever. He's amazing. I love Matthew Mole. I'll marry him.
Best! Matthew Mole, like you can't explain.
Matthew Mole's my role model.
Hey, so tell me, the first moment you guys walked onto that stage, how did it feel?
It was crazy. I got so flippin' nervous just before I played, but it was a cool vibe. Like, Kraja is insane.
That was fantastic, it was great. A little bit intimidating, really exciting.
What an unbelievable start to 2014 for us. We feel unbelievably honored and privileged.
This was maybe the most nervous I've ever been, actually.
This is one of the biggest shows you guys have ever played.
This is most definitely the biggest gig we've played. I think apparently Joburg Day was like 28,000 people, but this felt bigger because I could see further. Like, you can see everyone and it feels huge. Like, yes, everybody get up. Everybody get up.
And we're Bed on Bricks, all over in Cape Town, entertaining you in Johannesburg. And really stoked to be here with Bastille and stoked to be on MCAR.
Are you big Bastille fans?
Yes.
Pretty big?
I am. I do like them.
Who's that?
I love Bastille.
No, I'm joking. No, yeah, I love Bastille. Like,
They're the best band alive. I'm a massive Bastille fan. We've traveled all the way from Nullspruit to come and see them today.
I love Bastille, like honestly. Bastille is the...
oh, I like to sing along sometimes, sure.
I'm actually like a groupie.
They're just the best band.
We love Bastille.
Goosebumps.
I'd come to everyone in the concert if I could. I love them. Know all their songs, have all their records. It's amazing.
Bastille for the win.
It's actually a joke how much I love Bastille right now.
On a scale of 1 to incredibly awesome, what would you rate them?
Massively, incredibly awesome.
I love Bastille.
They're my favorite band by far. I absolutely love them. Everyone in their songs, I know them backwards. Wait, read the lyrics to me.
Not to get gushy.
I had a chicken vindaloo last night. That's a hot curry. It comes highly
They learned what a vindaloo is.
Was it hard to play the drums with having that curry today?
I brought the fire.
These are the things we lost. The things we lost in the fire.
We heard a rumor there's some relation with Bastille. Who am I looking at? Who's you? So tell us the story.
My dad, Dan's my first cousin. So Dan's dad is my mom's brother. Pretty sure I remember helping change his nappy when I was a kid. So we're unbelievably proud of Dan as a family.
Tio,
Birthday!
how old are you?
18!
Did your friends buy you a ticket for your birthday?
No!
Did you buy it yourself?
Yes.
You need to get new friends.
I know, they're standing over there, but they suck.
Well, they heard
They
it.
suck a dick.
Are they buying you drinks?
Is that on
Are they
camera?
buying you drinks?
Yes. Yeah, I'm super drunk, right? Oh, sorry, microphone.
That's fine. Where are you guys from?
Joburg, yeah.
Just general Joburg.
general
We don't want to give you an address. I'm from Joburg as well.
Okay.
You want to come visit me?
Sure.
So nice. Like me.
Yeah, you're really nice.
Bastille brings people together.
Hey, we're Beatenberg. We're at Emerence Dam in Joburg at the Bastille gig. It's amazing.
I see the shirt. Did you make it yourself? Did you buy it?
I spray painted this actually.
We made them at home. We thought the effort
It was worth it for Bastille. The lyrics on the back.
That's what real fans do, though. Real fans make their own shirts.
You know how it is.
Can I ask you to sing one of their songs for us?
No, you're not that lucky, mate. You're
Not?
I don't want to send your followers into another direction.
How am I gonna be positive about this? No, fuck. No.
Does it always feel like nothing's changed at all? And if you close your eyes,
Am I gonna be an optimist about this? And if I close my eyes,
What would you do if your son was at home crying all alone on the bedroom floor because he's hungry?
Oh, I feel overjoyed when you listen to my words. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing the rest.
That's beautiful. That was so good.
Stop it.
and the walls kept tumbling down on the city that we love.
Do I have to dance?
Pumps through your brains. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Caresses flying too close to the sun.
Things we lost.
That's all I can do. Yeah, you heard it here first.
there's another one like fire. I don't even know right now. Don't even know.
Basically, that was the best cover I've ever heard of Bastille.
Bastille's playing like right now. Bastille!
So ek dink dit is tyd vir my om op te hou werk want Bastille is nou in die agtergrond en hulle sing en die mense gaan mal en dis net 'n lekker party. So van MK Flits se kant af wil ons dankie sê vir Seed Experiences. Dit was 'n awesome tyd gewees en ons hoop julle doen dit weer. Maar van my kant gaan ek nou gaan. Ek gaan nou Bastille gaan kyk.
Things are always